Thank you, Dean Delaney. Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. On behalf of the doctoral graduating class, we want to express our deepest appreciation to our professors, everyone here, to their invaluable guidance and dedication to our success. We also want to recognize the hard work of our staff and extend our gratitude to our family and friends for their unwavering love and support. I would also like to take, thank you. I would also like to take a moment to recognize all the veterans here. Your service and sacrifice are truly appreciated. And to my fellow graduates, it is an honor to stand with you as we celebrate this incredible achievement. As we think back on all our journeys, we are reminded of the struggles we faced and the successes we achieved. Each of us has overcome our own set of obstacles to reach this occasion. For me, the journey has been long and challenging. While I cannot teach anyone in this room anything new, I would like to share the values that have guided me to this moment. I believe that hard work, persistence, gratitude, and the American dream are essential ingredients to success. Raised on a remote farm in the Philippines, I quickly learned the value of hard work and manual labor. My father would wake me up at 5 a.m. because he needed extra weight on the plow to plow the field. While I was obligated to help out before and after school, the farm was also my endless playground. Education was highly valued in my family. Despite the financial setbacks, at 16, I left the farm for college in Manila. Let's just say, I was eager to trade in my shovel for a syllabus. After college, I found myself chasing job opportunities abroad, eventually securing a job in Japan as a factory worker, allowing me to support my family financially. This experience gave me a newfound appreciation for opportunities and the American dream. But coming to America was not easy. I overcome multiple visa denials, not once, not twice, but 3 times before finding my way here through marriage. Encouraged by my mother-in-law, a nurse, I pursued a non-traditional nursing degree while raising 2 young children and being the breadwinner. And that's when the opportunity for a military career presented itself. I joined the military as a nurse, and it opened doors I never thought possible. Well, yes, I may not fit the typical image of an American soldier at 5 foot nothing, but I could hold my own, and then some. Transporting patients in a Black Hawk helicopter was one of my most memorable experiences, and it was an honor to serve my adopted country. I decided to use my veteran education benefits to pursue a doctoral degree, and the challenges I faced were beyond what I had experienced in the military. My DNP project advisor, Dr. Austin, once told me, "If you feel uncomfortable, then you are on the right track." Well, I can tell you that after spending countless nights staring at a blank Word document and wrangling with APA citations, I am officially a doctor of discomfort. Thank you. Today, we celebrate the end of one journey and the beginning of another, as we stand here witnessing the American dream alive and well. Let us never forget that we have the power to chase our dreams and make a difference in the world, no matter where we come from or what our backgrounds may be. Let us move forward with gratitude, always remembering our hard work and persistence will allow us to achieve greatness in all our future endeavors. Once again, to my fellow graduates, congratulations. Let us all say, mission accomplished. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Mission accomplished. Thank you.